Assalamu alaikum. My dear sweet learners, let me show you the technique how you will improve your writing skill. So let's get started. Yes, here you see earthquake. We are going to learn how we will write creatively a paragraph on earthquake. So, my dear sweet learners, you have already known that a severe earthquake has occurred in our country. May Allah keep us safe. So, learners, let's see. Earthquake. Earthquake, a paragraph. So, first of all, you write natural disaster. Natural disaster. Next, sudden shaking. Sudden shaking. And occur. Occur. Tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. And after that, severity. Severity. Richter scale. Richter scale. Richter scale. Collapse. Collapse. Sturdy furniture. Sturdy furniture. Next, seismometer. Seismometer. Okay, dear? Seismometer. And building resilience. Building resilience. So, lovely learners, to write a paragraph on earthquake, we have to have these words or phrases. Natural disaster. Natural disaster. Sudden shaking. Occur. Tectonic plates. Severity. Richter scale. Collapse. Collapse. Sturdy furniture. Sturdy furniture. Seismometer. Seismometer. Building resilience. So, learners, now with these words, we will start writing the paragraph on earthquake. Okay? First of all, you see natural disaster. So, earthquake is a natural disaster. Lovely learners, have a look. Earthquake is a natural disaster. Earthquake is a natural disaster. Then sudden shaking. Sudden shaking. Okay. So it means sudden shaking. It means earthquake means sudden shaking. Sudden shaking. Earthquake means sudden shaking. Okay. Lovely learners. Next, it occurs it occurs due to the movement of tectonic plates. There, earthquake occurs due to the movement of tectonic plates. Okay. Next, have a look here. Severity. Its severity is measured on Richter scale. Sweet learners, its severity is measured on the Richter scale. Okay, its severity is measured on the Richter scale. Afterwards, buildings. Buildings are collapsed. Collapse. Okay, I wrote there collapsed. So buildings are collapsed. Next, people should seek shelter under sturdy furniture. Lovely learners, people should seek shelter under sturdy furniture. Okay. Seismometer. Seismometer are used to detect. Okay. Next, seismometers are used to detect. Seismometers are used to detect. All right, lovely learners. Then, building resilience. Okay, building resilience is very crucial. Building resilience is very crucial. So, lovely learners, you can improve your writing skill in this way. Thank you so much for watching this video.